The Sash Window Workshop specialise in elegant, energy-efficient timber windows and doors to complement your home. We were contacted by a couple looking to improve the energy efficiency of their Victorian home in West London. They had been recommended to us by a family member who we had previously carried out work for. A visit was arranged to assess the windows before a quotation was provided for 2 pairs of new double-glazed sashes to be installed into existing window frames and a new casement window. They decided to proceed, and an additional survey was carried out to check the measurements before the windows were manufactured in our workshops in Berkshire and installed by our fitters. The customer was very happy with the windows and decided to return to have further work carried out. This was phased across 4 additional orders, which included a new French door, replacing the sashes in 7 box sash windows and in 2 large bay windows. The house has settled over time, meaning that some of the existing windows were out of square. This meant that excellent attention to detail was required to ensure that the sashes fitted properly and would operate smoothly. After the work was completed, the customer said that they were delighted by the reduction in noise and improved insulation, also noting that it is always a pleasure to deal with the Sash Window Workshop.